YouTube, what's up? So today I'm getting ready to go to a little brunch. Listen, I tried to I tried to be all cute, come on here, dressed up or whatever to do my makeup. Honey, I'm in a rush. So we're gonna get the bonnet and we're just gonna get to work. So I already primed my face and I already did my eyebrows. So let's get straight into the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all. So today I have this old ass eyeshadow palette that my mom bought for me 10 Christmases ago. So I'm not sure what it's called, but just start with some pink eyeshadow. After that, I took a more metallic pink in that same palette and just put it over that eyeshadow just so it's not so matte and it gives it a shine. Now I have my Wild Jaguar by Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette in that black color, and I just put it in the middle so I can get an ombre effect. Now that that's done, I have my Kiss Pro Touch liquid foundations that I blended in those two colors. Look, I know I used the back of my brush to blend in my foundation. Listen, leave me alone, okay? I was in a rush. Now I'm just blending everything out just to make sure everything's even and we can begin. Now I have my LA Girl Pro Concealer that I'm using in that nude color and just putting it in the inner corners of my eyes so that under my eyes can be nice and bright. After that, I have my Fenty Beauty that I added under that same concealer and at the edges. At the edges, girl, what are you talking? You know what I mean. Under my eyes, so we can get that ombre look. This is what's gonna give in the pictures, okay? Because it'll look nice in person, don't get me wrong, but in the pictures, pictures get to telling the truth, whether you know your color or not. Yeah, so it's gonna look really nice. So I blended out both sides. And lastly, for the concealer, I'm gonna blend out my chin and my nose. And now it's time for contour. I have my Makeup by Mario contour powder. So I went for a powder instead of a cream just because I was going for a certain look and I didn't want my nose contour to be too harsh. So yeah, I just took my precision brush and just blended that out. So of course I have my favorite contour powder, that 3D cream contour artist. I got that from the beauty supply. Y'all know that's my spot. And yeah, I'm just using that for my cheekbones and the top of my forehead. You have to make sure you don't go too crazy once you blend it out, just because you don't want your face to be too dark. You just want to accentuate the darker parts of your face. I'm blending both sides evenly, and you'll see that once I'm done. Now I have my Makeup by Mario liquid eyeliner that I'm using for a semi-dramatic winged eyeliner because we got that drag queen eyeliner. I do not like that. Listen, it's nothing wrong with that, but that's not the look we're going for today. We're going for a dramatic, but not too dramatic. Just because I feel like when you have light eyeshadows like this or colorful eyeshadows, you don't want it to be too much because it can come off really harsh. after that, I took this Secret of Pharaoh eyeliner and I used it under my eyes on my waterline. It's my favorite eyeliner ever. All you need is one coat and it comes on really, really dark. Sometimes I have to go over it with liquid fine eyeliner and that's annoying. So I use that NK Kisses mascara as a base to prep my lashes for my false lashes. Afterwards, I have this LA Girl Pro Powder that I went over that concealer that I used earlier just to mattify everything. And lastly, I took some glue and I'm applying my false lashes right here. Like I said, a lot of people apply their lashes with tweezers. That's just a skill that I do not possess. And yeah, that's it, guys. We're done. We almost done, y'all. Okay. Now, y'all already know CoverGirl blush. Yes, I had it for like 10 years. I don't give a damn. I'm not getting a new one because I feel like it's the best blush ever. It's so cute. It's like the perfect pink for brown skin. So if you're a black girl, or you know what, even if you're just a girl, best blush ever. Setting spray. I'm using a different one. It's called Maybelline New York Lasting Fix, and my makeup is set. Today we're not gonna do no lip liner because I just feel like this look doesn't require lip liner because it's so pretty and pink. Handy dandy J2 Juicy Lip Gloss. And this pink color. Slap it right on. Like that. This is really cute. Okay. Slap it right on like that. And then put some lip gloss on top. Baby Barbie world. I'm a baby girl in a Barbie world. On you hoes, period. This is so cute. And I'm done. Okay, I'll be back. Let me go, get myself together, put on my outfit, do my hair, and I'm gonna see y'all soon. Hey. Okay, so I'm done getting dressed. As y'all can see, I'm in a rush. Okay, I'm supposed to be there by 6 o'clock. It's 7:30, but it's okay. It don't matter because we're gonna go in there cute. Anyways, remember to like, comment, subscribe. I really hope y'all enjoyed the tutorial. It was just a quick little, drugstore baddie type of makeup, because I know some of these makeup products is really expensive, and baby, the way inflation is moving, Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Subscribe. CoverGirl Slim. Period.